Hey everyone, welcome back. Okay, so I'm just going to dive into just a little overview of another multi-level marketing company. Which one did I choose? Avon. Why did I choose Avon? Because it's another multi-level marketing company that I did back when I was a stupid teenager. So I'm going to show you guys something. So when I signed up for Avon back in the 1990s, you had to pay $10 to join, and then you had to buy your catalogs and shit. So now all of this stuff, to become a beauty influencer. What is it with everything becoming an influencer? Okay, I don't get it. So now they say, ooh, it's $0 to join. So you don't have to pay to join. Okay. Um, you become a skin expert in whatever passion of entrepreneur you want to be. Now, Avon sells a bunch of shit. They sell clothes, they sell Playtex stuff. They've even like branched out and they're selling like other brand names that you can get at like any beauty store on the planet for a hell of a lot cheaper than you can get it through Avon. But that's, that's said and done. Think big, earn big. Sell Avon part-time, full-time. You decide how much. See what a representative like you can earn. A 25% commission and a beauty discount for yourself. Ooh, ah. Orders of $40 get 20% off, and $40 plus fashion and home orders. Because, they have their cleaning supply line, I guess. I was just bouncing around. Look at this. All right. So $20 bonus for every $200 in sales each campaign. Now they have like 26 campaigns a year because it's like every 2 weeks, so you can place an order with your Avon representative. $50 bonus for the first 500 in sales. Ooh, ah. Extra 10% bonus for the first $1,000 in sales. Start earning today. And then they go through their beautiful products. But here's something that they don't say at all on this website, okay? They talk about their entrepreneurship or their philanthropy with the American Cancer Society and Feed the Children. But when you go down to the questions, what do I get when I sign up? You get credit with Avon of $300. It doesn't cost you anything to sign up. You also get a free gift, a product worth $37, plus a $10 credit to use on your next campaign order of $60. What support do I receive? All representatives get free online support. Ooh. And then they tell you how to get all your bonuses. First off, you'll get 25% off all your orders of $40 or more. And you'll earn 25% commission on all beauty orders of $40 or more. Basically, you're buying it a discount of 25% and you resell it to somebody. And then when you collect the money from them, you pay Avon. This is from what I remember. You pay Avon for your invoice, and whatever's left over is your profit. Okay. Am I required to become a leader or mentor? No. And how often do I have to place customer orders? And it says every 2 weeks. So it's free to sign up now. But here's the question. Avon, it's free to sign up. There's no cost. But they have a website that it's like a replicated website where you have to direct people to shop with you. Okay? And that replicated website, if someone orders from that, it's $5.95 per campaign. So some months there's only 2 campaigns. Other months there's 3 because there's like 3 Fridays in a month or whatever. That's $15 a month. $15 per month just to have your replicated website. But it does not say anything about that cost at all when you click become a rep. It doesn't say anything about it. It doesn't tell you anything about it. And then when you go to learn about direct selling, but nowhere, Avon, on your website does it say, hey, when you sign up to become a representative with us, we'll give you a replicated website. And every time someone places an order on your replicated website, we're going to ding you $5.95. So you want to get more people to order on your direct selling website? Because, yeah, we want people to go to your website and use it. Again, why does Avon need consultants? Why? There is no need. If someone likes the product, they can go directly to avon.com. You don't have to choose a representative, but they kind of force it on you. You don't have to choose a representative to order Avon, but they like it if you do. So this is how they're making money. They're making money off of their consultants. They're making money off of their consultants using this website. And then they require a minimum of a $40 order to get their 25% off. So 2 times a month, if there's a campaign twice in 1 month, you have to make over a $40 order to even qualify for your discount. So say you don't have any orders from your customers that week. Are you inactivated? I don't know. But it really seems like it's an outdated structure, and Avon, honestly, pretty much any MLM company that has a website, you don't need the middleman. You don't need consultants at all. Okay, you just don't. What do you need? You need to eliminate this multi-level marketing structure and just sell to the general public. You don't need, I mean, look at all this home shit. I mean, they have containers that look like the OXO containers, but they're, how much are those suckers? Oh, $40 for that. And they're tiny. You can get something double the size for less at the container store. Now Avon has, I mean, some really nice smelling perfumes. In fact, Night Magic is one of my favorites because it's got the neroli jasmine musk, and it honestly, I think it smells like baby powder on me. It makes me feel fresh. But I missed that, but I'm not going to buy it. So, that's what Avon's known for, is all of their scents. But, go to Ulta, go to Sephora, and buy during Christmas time. You'll get a free robe if you buy, some fragrance. And then, oh look, they have the Paparazzi, but notice that they're selling their jewelry for more than $5. And it looks eerily similar to some of the stuff that's in Paparazzi. I mean, you get sets, but everything's $16.99, $12.99. But this looks like something you can get right here. This one that I'm doing the picture, that looks like something you could get from Ni Hao. And these look like sets you could get from Ni Hao. So is Avon getting stuff from Ni Hao and then reselling it? Possibly. Alright, so let's look at, fashion. What do they got for their fashion? Lounge suits, shirts, cowl neck things, more pajamas, even more pajamas. Okay, I got this exact shirt on Amazon for $19. Amazon, $19. Oh, look, it's a sequiny bling shirt. Maybe we should show that to Tian. So, but yeah. Oh, gross. And then, let's see, digital catalog. Oh, they have catalogs. See, you don't even have to have a representative. You can just flip through the catalogs online. Oral care. We're selling toothpaste now. Are we becoming a Melaleuca here? Yeah, it's a mystery, and it makes me wonder a lot about these companies. So this was just a short little deep dive. Avon may not have a fee to sign up, but you're billed monthly if you want to have a website. So I'll do Papa Crappy. I'm going to pause this video and then I'll come back for Papa Crappy and I'll not be in my workout clothes because I just finished yoga. But yes, this is what I was thinking about while I did yoga this morning. All right, I'll be back. You guys, look what I missed yesterday, and I missed it. So guess what? We're going to go right into a minute in because we know Misty loves to wait a whole minute. Where she goes, hey, paparazzi! And look, I'm wearing my Life of the Party fan favorites.
Paparazzi, it's Wednesday and time for sneak peeks. I love when we get to talk about jewelry because I think I love jewelry as much as you. Today, I'm actually wearing items that are currently available in the back office. You can see I have a bit more of a crazy graphic tee, right? You can see that there's some color in there. I actually am wearing sparkle, which I don't do very often, and I chose to do it because I feel like it gives this shirt a bit more of a cosmic vibe by just adding a little bit of that sparkle in there, but I'm not trying to make it a Fifth Avenue, obviously. By taking that...
A cosmic vibe? That shirt looks way too big for her. It looks like something that was her husband's, but it's not a cosmic shirt to me. It's a t-shirt.
Sparkle and making it a bit more cosmic, a bit more edgy, especially with the linear pattern of the necklace. You can take those Fifth Avenue items and turn them into more of a sunsetty look. I've got a stack of bangles, which I love. Big silver earrings that are just going to give high sheen. And it would be a way to dress it up without really being glitzy, which I think is a fun look. Now, these are items that are going to hit your back office today. And
so let's see if these items are still available. So I'm going to go over and look up. There's the high sheen earrings that she's wearing. Ooh, ah. And then let's see, is that necklace? It was that. Oh, look, the bug necklace. I call it the bug necklace because it looks like a bunch of bugs. The bug necklace is still available. And Marigold Meadow, that's still available too. So these sneak peeks didn't sell out. I'm shocked. I'm so shocked right now. So let's go back to play.
They are so cute. You're going to love them. This first one is definitely a dainty necklace as far as size, but still packs a lot of punch. I love the mixture of the gray stone. We call it black diamond, but a lot of you call it like a smoky gray, and the crystal or the white rhinestones. It gives it a bit more femininity, and it also helps to really...
Yeah, don't call it crystal because it's not crystal, and don't call it Swarovski crystals because they're not Swarovski crystals. If they were, they'd be a lot more than $5. Just saying. And that was something that cracked me up shortly after I quit. I was watching a consultant do her live, and when she held up a piece with rhinestones in it, she said, look at these Swarovski crystals. Aren't they gorgeous? They're just so gorgeous. And yes, I am wearing my oil slick earrings because when I was getting dressed, I found them. So I was like, I'll wear these heavy-ass funky-dunky shit today. And who knows, maybe one will fall out and I'll lose it. And then I have no reason to wear them anymore. And someone might find it at the casino and be like, ooh, those are cute. That's maybe lucky for me. No, they're not lucky. They're toxic.
Really pop out the pattern. You can see the individual links. By mixing the two colors, you really start to see the distinction of shape, which I love. Now, this is a post earring that is coming out today, and I feel like this earring is oh so cool. It's based...
Ooh, it's a double pyramid earring! I wonder if those are still available. Oh, now I have to go down and look. Double pyramid, yep, there they are. Risky Razzle. They're still available.
On triangles. So you can see the top has all those rhinestones placed in there, right? And this bottom is a huge gem. And I love it because although they're both triangles, one has a bit more of a rounded look, so it becomes a little bit more pungent or drastic. And when we inverted one and place the other one on top, you get...
Pungent means stinky. It gets a little more pungent and drastic. So it's stinky, drastic, poop. So pungent poop.
Get a really cool vibe. This to me,
I'm not drunk, I swear.
Much a musings look, but you can also make it very sunsetty.
I just had a really good yoga session this morning.
This is a bracelet that is coming on today. I'm actually wearing it in silver right now. I love that it is dainty. You can see right there, there's some detail that's a bit of a vine, I would say, a bit of a scroll work. This is fun to stick.
Now I gotta look and see if this ugly bracelet in gold is still available. Oh yes, it is. It's called Very Vineyard. Oh, let's pull up the close-up of this thing. Alright, so there's the close-up of it. Okay, now let's look at it on the model. Notice how it doesn't really hang well on the model's wrist. I'm sorry, but these silicone-filled bracelets that they have are not really that great, you guys. They're not. They're just not.
If you like, just maybe you've got a delicate choker, or maybe you've got a layered shell. Look, we've got some pretty shell necklaces on right now. Or you don't want something that's overkill, this is a great one. If somebody is not, they don't wear bracelets all the time and they're trying to step into that trend, or they want to just try it out, this is a great
Bracelets aren't a trend. You either like them or you don't. I remember when I was a kid in the 80s, okay, and we had those plastic bracelets that you would stack, and, you know, if you could get them over your hand, you were lucky as fuck. Sorry to use that language, but yeah, if you could get them over your hand and put them on, then yeah, you could wear one. But you know, my favorite thing when I was a kid in the 80s was pull bracelets or friendship bracelets. And I would make them myself with my embroidery thread. And I still feel guilty about this because when I was a kid, I went to the store and I found a pretty blue that I wanted to make into a friendship bracelet. And I dropped something in the store, so I put this one skein of embroidery thread, I put it in my pocket. I went and checked out with everything else I bought, but when I got home and I was, you know, emptying out my pockets, I found that I forgot to pay for that one thing. It was the first time I ever shoplifted, and the guilt still sits with me to this day. Anyway, here's a pole bracelet. This is one of those fashion fixie pieces, because look, ooh, the iridescence and stuff. I'm amazed this one hasn't fallen off, but it doesn't stay tight. And it'll probably break on me. I'm going to wear this one today too. It doesn't match anything, but I'm pretty sure it'll fall off today. So there's that.
Bracelet to suggest. A lot of times we suggest big, bulky items and they're kind of afraid. So if you have a customer who's said, you know, I really don't try bracelets that often, or maybe they have a desk job where their hands are constantly down typing, sometimes those more delicate bracelets make more sense for those type of customers. Now, for those of you who do love bracelets and you love bright colors, this multi-bracelet will be available today. And oh my gosh,
the primary colors are 1, 2, 3, red, yellow, and blue.
Does this not scream summer? Like, this makes me so happy. You could pair it with big, you know, yellow or pink or blue earrings. If you had a pattern, you just wanted to pop this out. This is so...
That fugly thing sold out? Really?
So fun. I feel like this is one of those items that you don't need a ton of. You don't need to be wearing just jewelry from head to toe to really be noticed. And this is one of those bracelets that lets you put it on. It's easy. It's darling, and it definitely feels
so darling.
fun. Who doesn't want to feel fun every day, right? This is also a beautiful earring. You can see this fuchsia gem right here in the center. I love the detail around the outside. When you look at this, this is antique silver. So it's really going to help maximize that white color actually as an accent. And then again, that fuchsia right there in the center can be paired with so many things. And I love the elongated teardrop. It makes it more of a statement without giving it too much weight or really stretching out the size. Right? You see that?
Right.
So
I see
cute.
it.
Now this is also a darling pink item, another fuchsia item. This is a flower motif, but a bit of a pinwheel. So it's not a distinct flower per se.
Okay, the pinwheel thing. The pinwheels are like super duper popular when I was in consultant, you know, back in the day. It's been over 2 years now. Did you have a good walk, Lily? Lily just got back from her walk. Go get your treat.
Lily.
She needs a drink. You wore her out.
We did. We had fun.
So yeah, marigolds and pinwheels. Okay, you guys. I'm glad to be reading your comments. Your comments on my YouTube channel are cracking me up these days. But there was one that really kind of grossed me out. Somebody said, I got tired of the lives where they were praying for everyone, and I was like, is this normal? Was there a consultant that prayed on her live sales? I'm like, you don't walk into a Target and see the employees blessing the sales of the people, and then someone responded, ring bong party is next to you, ought to consider that one down in the line. There is one in particular that starts each live with a worship service, and people join and buy from her because of her relationship with God. Literally, the camera is there while she worships. That's not a relationship, that's entertainment, and it's not right. And I have to agree with that comment. It's not right. My thoughts on this is it's blasphemy, and it's wrong. Why is it that people pervert God in this way? It doesn't sit right with me. It never has. If you're truly a person with religious values, you wouldn't pervert your God for your monetary gain. You wouldn't be doing charity for the recognition of doing charity. Charity is supposed to be done anonymously. But you guys have brought to light some subjects that, it grows, it blows my mind, and it totally grosses me out. But by reading your comments on my videos, it's just made me laugh. And the other one, did you notice the ring on her finger was turning her finger green? And I didn't, so I had to go back and watch that video again, and I was like, oh yeah, her finger's turning green under there. And let's see, I never remember the number of personally sponsored people I had on my team, but I know that when I resigned, I had 122 people below me. And then someone, I'm wondering what the point is of making a 2-hour video about a convention. And who in their right mind goes on about light-up screens showcasing jewelry and what you're going to do that day? Yes, she really did drink the Kool-Aid. As a producer, I averaged 2 to 3K a month, and I reached that in under a year and a half. Now, Tian has been in Paparazzi since 2016, and she made producer. So, I'm pretty sure, like you said, she definitely made more doing nursing than she did doing paparazzi. I love the term wall of debt. It's what it is, right? It's a wall of debt. And Joanne, I love yours. I was laughing so hard at your title. It's true, you guys. Memories that give you PTSD. How many of us are recovering paparazzi consultants who see memories pop up on our Facebook page, and those memories are our wall drops or our selfies showing off the jewelry. Ooh, look, I'm wearing my oil slick things. Aren't these just so pretty? I mean, how many of us see that ring in that picture? That's not new. I have that in silver. Sorry, squirrel. Yeah, David's like, squirrel. I even forgot what I was saying. Do you remember what I was saying?
You have some ring in silver.
Oh, the PTSD from your Facebook memories. That's what I was talking about. Yeah, a lot of us, when these things pop up, it kind of makes us sad, and it depresses us, and it brings back memories. Some of us are not happy with the mistake that we made. So, we got to be honest about that. Those are just awful. Just awful. I'm sorry. So anyway, they haven't dropped Papa Crappy, and honestly, I'm a half hour early to the party. I'm pretty sure nothing great's dropping today. It's Thursday. So I'm just going to end here and say, look, the $5 bobby pin did not sell out yesterday. Shocking. And then there's Very Vineyard in silver and all this other nonsensical crap, because that's what it is crap.
They do new drops of stuff every day.
You didn't know that? Why do you think I do Papa Crappy like every day?
That's so inefficient.
Well, yeah, but that's how they get these people to continue to buy. That's how they.
The only reason they would do that is for FOMO and
You only live once in FOMO.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Artificial scarcity.
Yeah. And there is no such thing as scarcity with paparazzi because some of this stuff is just recycled back in. And they keep bringing to the forefront their blockbuster pieces that nobody wants.
There's no reason to have new merch every day. That's crazy. Every week, maybe.
Oh, and honey, this month they have new merch dropping every day except Sunday. They're even doing extra drops on Saturdays. Why? Because their sales are slumping so bad.
That's crazy. That's just inefficient. That's just waste my time. It wastes the time of the people in their warehouses, the people who run their websites. Because there's no reason they couldn't just bundle that all up and do a week's worth all at once. Except that would defeat the purpose, because the purpose isn't to actually
sell jewelry.
Yeah,
it's to get people to come in and shop and buy stuff.
Yeah. The purpose is the same reason your favorite phone game has like
push notifications.
Yeah, or a daily come in and spin the wheel every day. It's to get you
come in and open the clamshell on Fish Kingdom.
Yeah. It's to get you in every day.
Come in and collect your 500 free diamonds just for coming back to Design Home. Yes, these are games I actually play and I love them. So, reminder, daylight savings this weekend. Don't be late for work.
Does that mean we're gonna throw another website update? Daylight savings.
No, I just got the push notification. I got the push notification from work. Reminder, it's daylight savings this weekend. Lily, I'm sorry I slammed my phone down and scared you, bubs. It's okay.
She's so skittish.
She is a skittish puppy. She's cute, but, a Mylar balloon will freak the dog the freak out. I mean, what's the other thing that scares her? Making a raspberry noise with, or clapping your hands.
Oh, yeah.
Those things she just hates them. I don't get why.
She will cowering.
Yeah, she goes and hides under Daddy's desk when Mommy makes a noise.
Anytime the fire alarms start chirping.
Oh yeah, she starts having a panic attack. My dog has anxiety. I should probably get her on some meds, but no. Anyway.
That's what we play ball for.
Yeah, that's why we play ball 2 to 3 times a day. All right. Well, I am heading off to load some free play to my casino play card, and you guys have a good rest of your day. All right, bye.